Hello everyone. Please check the link on top of the video for the best weight loss solution on the internet. Before we get started, today it seems that the ability to control one's emotions, and therefore oneself, is not highly regarded. Waiting rooms at medical centers are filled with people who say that chocolate, salt, and other unhealthy foods must be good and necessary because their body craves them. They equate the rumblings of their stomach or emotional feelings to make them believe that what they're experiencing is some sort of wise communication from their bodies, unaware that are just being driven by cravings that led them to the state they are now in. A helping hand by way of good information and an ability to help. Emotional cravings should become your best friend. Finding a way to be satisfied without actually eating the foods that are causing you your problem, but at the same time still address the issue of the emotion, will see you leading a life without the maladies that are prevalent in today's Western world. If you are honest with yourself, how much of your life is really dictated by your feelings and not directed by other external influences? You've been raised to believe that our Western diet is actually healthy. But you're not alone. We've all been marketed the same messages about foods that actually harm us. Think about it. There is obviously something we are doing and eating that is creating disease. Cancer hospitals never existed before 1904. Nowadays, the statistics of the American Cancer Society tells us that 1 in 2 men and 1 in 3 women are at risk of developing cancer in their lifetime. Your body was created to eat natural whole foods, preferably in their raw living state, not as cooked foods that can be void of nutrients, enzymes, needing salt and flavorings to make the dish taste good. Research of Swiss scientist Paul Kouchakoff that has been confirmed in hundreds of experiments found eating food that has been cooked above 180 degrees Fahrenheit causes a pathogenic response in the body called leukocytosis. These conditions predispose your body to developing food allergies, sensitivities, and a hyperactive immune system. What this means to you is that your body no longer operates as it should when it eats foods that are full of preservatives, cooked and treated to sustain a shelf life, more so than to sustain a healthy human life. If you truly want to achieve rapid weight loss that has a lasting effect on your overall well-being, get the exact foods your body was meant to enjoy. Make raw foods a more prominent part of your life because you deserve to know and experience real health.